Why you should work for I-70 Auto Service in Kansas City, Missouri. Working in the auto repair industry is great. Working for I-70 Auto Service is even better. We are actively recruiting auto technicians to work at our family-owned and operated business. There are many reasons to work with our team, and here's why. Gone are the days when a highly trained auto mechanic is considered a lowly grease monkey. Today's vehicles are built with sophisticated automotive technology. Cars are like high-level computer networks on wheels. To repair them, you need the right technical skills and problem-solving talent. Working at I-70 Auto Service may be a great career for you if you enjoy knowing how things work and helping people every day. Your role is critical to making the roads a little safer, one car at a time. If you're tech-savvy, like to work with your hands, and feel satisfaction when helping others, we invite you to apply at I-70 Auto Service. Serving Kansas City since 1976, we're a third-generation family-owned shop. We're AAA approved, an ASE Blue Seal, and Napa Care Auto Facility. We can say we're the best because our owner won the award for 2014 ASE Napa Technician of the Year. Located only 1.5 miles west of Arrowhead Stadium, you'll work with factory scan tools, have fun, and enjoy weekends off too. Auto technicians are trusted people who have high-level skills and make a good income without the burden of big student loans. Pay is comparable to high-tech jobs. When you work at I-70 Auto Service, your work matters. You're the lifeblood of our community because you keep families safe in their cars. If you want to explore exciting career opportunities, contact I-70 Auto Service in Kansas City. Fill out our application online or call 816-656-2325. You'll be glad you did.